On the first day that I laid my eyes on my fiance, we were in the Bay Area, Northern California, and we were both there for different reasons. We didn't plan on meeting each other, it just happened. And when I first saw him, he was way on the other side of the crowd, and somehow we locked eyes instantly, and it seemed as if there was like a spotlight on him. And ever since then, just the way that he called me over, and as soon as I went over, there was just an instant connection, and that we both felt. I know he felt it too. And just the way that he looked at me, I knew that it would turn into something great. And then the more I found out about him, the more better it got between the two of us. And finding out that, we're meeting in Northern California, and not knowing that we only live 10 minutes away from each other in Southern California, it just made it all tie in together, and it seemed like we were meant to be. And just all the little signs of our grandmas, they grew up with each other and we had no idea, and just all these little details that we're finding out as we're going along, and it just all leads back to why I love him, and why I know that he's the one for me.
When we actually first saw each other, we saw each other in the middle of a concert, and we both looked at each other, and I kind of had just this warm feeling. I don't know, just something, probably the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Jerise is everything. And the only reason why I proposed to her is because her unconditional love, for me and others, her family and my family. And just her unconditional love for, and the heart and soul that she puts into this relationship shows me a lot of, who she is, and, how much she truly cares for me. And I just want to show the same thing. And, once I felt that love from her, I wanted to show the same. And that's what made me, want to propose to her and ask her to be my wife forever.